Hey everybody, this is Chef Chris Waldman with Forbes Hair Wallace. We're back in the test kitchen today, doing another episode of Technically Speaking. Now on this episode, we're going to dive into the brushless motor from Blendtec. Let's check it out. There are 5 major advantages when it comes to using the brushless motor from Blendtec. First, there are no wear parts in the brushless motor. We have a higher RPM with added torque, which means we have a better speed to torque ratio. This will give us the added benefit of blending frozen product quicker and more efficiently, which means we won't have any chunks at the end of our blend. The drive socket stops immediately when the sound enclosure is open, reducing any chance of wear from the jar. We achieve a lower decibel level, which means this unit is much quieter than our already super quiet Stealth. This unit comes with 1 extra year of warranty, which gives you peace of mind for even longer. Thanks for checking out this episode of Technically Speaking, featuring the Blendtec Stealth Brushless Motor. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of our content, please subscribe to the channel. Like always, have a great day.